Hi everyone, this is Jen with Vanguard Properties, your reliable San Francisco Bay Area realtor. Welcome to my latest listing at 1465 23rd Avenue in San Francisco. Welcome to this reimagined sunset retreat, just moments from Golden Gate Park, where modern luxury meets everyday comfort. Renovated down to the studs, with a refined eye for design, this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home feels warm, elevated, and thoughtfully designed for everyday living from the moment you walk in. Step through the striking mahogany front door into bright, sun-filled living spaces, where a live edge oak centerpiece beside the fireplace instantly brings warmth and style. The main level offers 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including a serene ensuite. Along with beautifully connected living, dining, and kitchen areas. The chef's kitchen features custom cabinetry, premium appliances, and a generous eat-in island, truly the heart of the home. Downstairs, a dramatic glass staircase leads to a versatile lower-level retreat with a family room, microcement wet bar, a playful kids or pet nook under the stairs. Enjoy the happy hours with your friends in your own wet bar. And 2 additional bedrooms and bathrooms. This luxury home also features radiant heat, in-ceiling speakers, smart home technology, indoor-outdoor entertaining spaces, ample storage, and 2-car parking with a generous garage and deep driveway, offering the comfort and the flexibility that is so rare in the Sunset. Set near Golden Gate Park, public transit, Irving and Judah Street shops, cafes, restaurants, markets, and beloved neighborhood schools. This is Sunset Living, reimagined. Thank you so much for touring with me. I will see you at my open house.